Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to final exam for term 3 ครับผม Today we gonna review about food and beverage. The topic unit 6你想吃什么 Could you repeat follow teacher? Did you see my arrow? 你想吃什么 What is mean? Teacher 你想吃什么 In our class, we learn already about เสี่ยง and 要 right? เสี่ยง like you want. How many percent of เสี่ยงเสี่ยง is 50% นะฮะ and ยาว how many percent of ยาว if you use ยาว in the sentence ยาว is 100% นะฮะ so now 你想吃什么 I think my lovely student you will know how what that mean about 吃你想吃你 is you 吃 is eat เสี่ยง is want what you want to eat and this sentence นะฮะ they gonna talking about eating right like the girl and boy they go to some shop and order something for eat นะฮะ what they talking about the staff say 你想吃什么 could you please repeat follow me please 你想吃什么 what that mean 你 is you 想 is what 吃 is eat 什么 is what you want to eat The girl say 我想吃汉堡包 Could you please repeat follow teacher please 我想吃汉堡包我想吃汉堡包 What's it mean 我想吃汉堡包 I want to eat hamburger and this one the staff say 你想喝什么 we actually learn in the class already 吃 is eat 喝 is drink ชื่อ we use with the food right and 喝 we use with the beverage nobody drink burger nobody drink hot dog or some fried chicken we you eat with the food or only and drink with the beverage only right 你想喝什么 about Chinese Teacher often say you need to be aware when you use Chinese word because pronunciation is so important. If you have a little bit wrong, right? The meaning will change to another meaning, like her. Could you please repeat follow teacher, please? Her. We actually learn about tone of pinyin, right? The normal tone, her meaning is drink. Opposite, if you say her, her is a tone 2 tone number 2 her meaning is and right เห็นไหม a little bit wrong her and her meaning will change and this one 我想喝牛奶 the boy say 我想喝牛奶 what he want to drink 牛奶 is what is that 牛奶 is milk yes and we're gonna back to learn sentence again and next we're gonna try to review about word right word coming what we have have more word from here could you repeat follow teacher please shui is water this one นิ้วนาย is milk นะฮะ this one easy มากปีซ่าปิ่ง and pizza same right sometimes they call pizza sometimes they call pizza ping but the meaning same pizza what does it mean pizza is pizza they pronounce pizza and pizza pronunciation we make from English language easy for remember this one and this one ชูเถียวwhat does it mean ชูเถียว is french fry in our class we learn already something have เถียว it like the shape like a longest เถียว like the french fry ใช่ไหม french fry is like a longest shape so that's why have เถียว in this word ชูเถียว is french fry like เมี่ยนเถียว same เมี่ยนเถียว meaning it noodle is long or not yes noodle is long this one ปิ้งก่าน could you repeat follow teacher please ปิ้งก่าน is cookie and this one ต้านกาว is cake this one เฉิงจื้อ is orange juice sometimes juice that we call juice that we call กัวจื้อthis one easy 可乐 and this one เมี่ยนเปาyou actually love this one easy for remember all people can remember this word right ห่านเป่าเปาand this one เร่อเก่าเร่อ what does it mean love เร่อ is hot go is dog but hot dog we don't use from the dog meat right and this one ปิ้งฉี่หลิง what does it mean ปิ้งฉี่หลิง is ice cream นะฮะbefore we go to snake light next slide นะฮะ sorry because I so excited for teaching with the video online so sometimes I say something wrong before we gonna go to next slide this one ฉุย could you review follow me please ฉุยนิ้วนายปีซ่าปิ่งชูเถียวปิ่งการต้านกาวเฉิงจื้อ可乐เมี่ยนเปาห่านเป่าเปาเร่อเก่า and ปิ้งฉี่หลิง go to next slide this one นะฮะ I have some good news all word in this page have in your final exam นะฮะ for this page it could you please attention a little bit look not a little bit attention more sorry this one How many food that we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. This one. French fry. French fry. How to say French fry? Could you review follow teacher please? 薯条. 薯条 is French fry. And this one. 热狗. 热狗 is hot dog. 鸡块. 鸡块 chicken nugget. 炸鸡 fried chicken. This one. Pizza. Pizza is pizza. In the last time, right? In the last slide, we got pizza ping. And this slide, we got pizza. Don't be confused. นะฮะ Sometimes the Chinese people, they call pizza ping. And sometimes they call like the short word like pizza. But the meaning same. Pronounce same. นะฮะ And this one. 汉堡包 汉堡包 is hamburger. นะฮะthis one. She and her. Her, what does it mean her? Her meaning is drink. She meaning is eat. I'm not sure what happened with my picture. Eat. You see Shin-chan, right? What he doing? He try to eat a lot. But I'm not sure what happened with the picture of her. นะฮะ But her meaning is drink. She is eat. Sorry, coming. Now, her is drink. She is eat. This one about ยาวยาว her ยาว she and ยาว her. Could you repeat follow me please this one example about this form. We're gonna see the form first. Subject plus ยาว plus verb plus object. Sometime after ยาว we can put her or she behind ยาว นะฮะ follow ยาว What that mean? This one. 我要吃汉堡包 Again. 我要吃汉堡包 What that mean? 我 meaning is I. ยาว How many percent about ยาว TikTok. ยาว is 100%, right? Sorry. ยาว is sorry 100%. About ยาว If you say ยาว with the sentence like you want this one now นะฮะ you cannot waiting now like you want. Suppose you say I want to eat burger like you want to eat now. You cannot wait. Sometimes maybe you can wait a moment but you actually like more confirm today you gonna eat burger, right? Something like that. ยาว is 100%. If you use เสี่ยง like you can change your mind in the future นะฮะ And this one, the question and answer. The question say 你要吃什么你要吃什么你 meaning is you. 要 meaning is want or need like 100% 要ชื่อ eat 什么 what that mean about this sentence? What do you want to eat? 你要吃什么 And this one, what the answer? If somebody ask you like this, somebody ask what you want to eat, you need to say I. How to say I in Chinese? 我 And you need to repeat ยาว again, like you need to say I want ใช่ไหม I want is 我要 what you want? Eat pizza. 我要吃 pizza. How to say eat? 吃 pizza is pizza. 我要吃 pizza. Nobody confused about ยาว and เสี่ยง ยาว is 100% like needed now. Cannot waiting or confirming you want this one. And เสี่ยง is 50%. in the future, like you can change your mind. Suppose teacher sit and I thinking, today I want go to China. 我想去中国 just thinking. Maybe when I have the available time or in the real life or the real situation, sometimes when I write the holiday, I can change my plan or change my mind. But just currently, I won't go to China. But I'm not sure in the future, maybe I can change my mind or change my plan นะฮะ because I use เสียง opposite if I say 我要去中国明天 like I gonna go to China tomorrow like I confirm นะฮะ because I use 要 with the sentence I confirming I make sure like now I book the hotel I have the ticket I have a plan I have time schedule for traveling so that's why I use 要 if I just say 我想去中国 just thinking I can change my mind or change my plan นะฮะ don't be confused this one will explaining you about 要 and เสียง let you clearing about two words ยาว yao is express urgent need you urgent now you need now and be strong right and high courteously like example one 我要去洗手间我要去洗手间要 how many percent of 要 100% right sorry 100 oh my hand right 100% sorry 100% เสียง how many percent 50% you can change your mind or not yes เสียง is 50% and then we let's see the sentence first 我要去洗手间 meaning is I need to go to restroom or toilet นะฮะ我要去洗手间 I need now I cannot waiting if you not allow I go to toilet I gonna now นะฮะ and this one example two 我要去中国meaning if I gonna go to China I told you already if I use 要 with the sentence like I booked the ticket already I have the plan I book the hotel I have the time schedule already so that's why I use 要 because 100% I gonna go to China this one เสี่ยง is like your wish or thought just thinking and feeling wanting wishing something like that example one 我想去洗手间different นะ you use we use 我 same 洗手间 same but we different about 要 and เสียง like 50% I wanna go to toilet I want to go to toilet but I can waiting I'm not diarrhea this one now example one if you use 要 like you feel sick you feel diarrhea you need to go now you cannot waiting if teacher not allow I gonna have accident in your classroom right this one different if you just say 我想去洗手间 I just thinking I want go to check my face with the mirror in the toilet or I want go to washing hand but not urgent I just wish or thinking something like that an example two 我想去中国 like I told you in the last time before we go to this slide I just thinking I wanna go to China but I no idea or no plan I just thinking I want to go to China but I don't do anything like no Phuket the hotel and no recheck about my time or my calendar just thinking so you understand about ยาว and เสียง ยาว is 100% and make sure เสียง is thinking wishing feeling ฮะ Anybody have question If you have question you can send message to teacher in the email or you can add put comment in this video นะฮะ in YouTube link นะฮะ we gonna go next exercise I think you love this one we're gonna do together follow this one right are you ready let's check this one ถ้าหมิงเทียน we have let you choose let you circle ย่าว or เสียง ชู่จงกัวหรอwe try to consider together ถ้าหมิงเทียน ย่าว เสียง ชู่จงกัวหรอ this sentence let you consider about this sentence you need to use ย่าว or เสียง he is going China tomorrow what you see about number one that we have this one we have tomorrow and หมิงเทียนใช่ไหมหมิงเทียน meaning is tomorrow what you see if you consider this sentence make sure or not make sure yes make sure because he will go China on tomorrow right 100% he will go to China so what you need to circle ย่าว or เสียง follow this sentence correctly is yes ย่าวbecause ย่าว is 100% we gonna travel in tomorrow 100% maybe he have plan or Phuket or have some hotel already this one 我不ย่าวเสียงข้านเตี้ยนหญิง I 我 is I 不 is no ข้านเตี้ยนหญิง is watch movie I don't want to watch movie let you consider 1 minute this in the number 2 sentence we gonna use ย่าว or เสียง let you consider follow the meaning I don't want to watch movie are you ready yes หยุดเสียง why teacher because I don't want about I don't want to watch like he thinking just thinking I don't want to do this one I don't want to watch this one so like 50% 50% and thinking right so that's why we use เสียง follow this sentence actually if you say 我不要看电影 it's okay because I think maybe we can use two but the better that we use เสียง in this sentence they don't say about time point or time spot but when we try to consider don't want to watch like the thinking if something like thinking or thought we gonna use เสียง better than ย่าว
我想吃比萨饼。
Sorry.
我想喝橙汁。
So did you understand about เสียง or ย่าว Sorry, this one like teachers click something else and they change to slide. I think maybe to next slide. Maybe you understand about เสียง or ย่าว right? เสียง is 50%. ย่าว is 100%. This sentence, the boy and girl say 我想吃比萨饼我想喝橙汁我想吃 I want to eat pizza and the girl say 我想喝 橙汁 I want to drink orange juice, right? If you notice, they just thinking. Follow this video. They just thinking. I want to eat. I want to drink. This one. Let's listen together. This one. 你想吃什么？你想吃什么 What I mean 你 is you. 想 is want. How many percent? 50% because you just thinking, right? 吃 is eat. 什么 is what? What you want to eat. This one. 你想喝什么？吃 is eat, right? Don't be forget. 吃 is eat. Oh, very hard to write. And her is drink. She eat her drink. And this one, what the boy need to answer follow it. 你想喝什么 The boy suitable say 我想喝牛奶 What that mean love 我想喝牛奶 I want to drink milk. And this one, what the dog say? Oh my god. 你想喝什么 The dog say 我想喝可乐 Oh, upskill dog. The dog is so upskill. What he drinking? He not drinking general thing. He drinking Coca-Cola. Because color is Coca-Cola, right? And this one, the girl say, 你想吃什么 What she answer? She answer, 我想吃热狗 What she want to eat? She want to eat hot dog. And this one, the pink girl, pink shirt girl. What she answer? 你想吃什么我想吃汉堡包 I want to eat hamburger. We're gonna go to next. Let's review about tone, right? I think maybe we actually have some exercise about tone waiting you in next slide. About tone in Chinese, I think we have 5 sound and 4 symbol. Why teacher say 5 sound นะฮะ If you recheck sound 1, sound 2, sound 3 and sound 4, we have the symbol like this, down and up, right? And this one. And we also have this one without any symbol. And we also have some tone follow this word, right? Even thought without any symbol, but we say like the short sound. B and A in Chinese pinyin we read different English, so you need to separate. Pinyin is pinyin, English is English. The tone or pronoun we call different, even though we use the same alphabet, right? In English, this one we use B, but in Chinese pinyin we use bo. Right? We don't call B, we call bo. A, this one A, in English we call A, right? But in Chinese pinyin we call R. When you mix bo and R together, like bo R ba. Again like you mixing word in Thai language or English language same sometimes ปูอา like you if you say ปูอา farting and like together ปูอาป่าand don't be forget if without any symbol like this and this we without tone that like we call the short sound this one we gonna say ป่าshort sound right this one ป่า and this one normal tone ป่าfollow the symbol เลยป่าand this one like go to be hiding yourself follow this symbol also ป่าlet the sound go be hiding yourself ป่าagain three tone right the first one ป่าand this one down and up ป่า if you oh my god teacher is so hard you can like you use your finger drawing in the air like you drawing this symbol and you could you move your face follow your finger you make the sound this tone is easier with you ป่าเห็นไหม this one ป่าthis one is loudest like the rocket flying to the sky ป่าcould you repeat follow me again ป่าand then we gonna go to check about next game this one what's the game how do you pronounce it listen carefully then repeat easy sorry
跟我念
Practice Chinese initials pronunciation.
This one is 4 and 4.
滋
Ji
作业
Zuo
作业
脏
Zhang
脏
吃
词典
Su
词典
right Su
猜
Shai
猜
Again this one if you notice tone symbol is 4 and 4 so 4 tone is like loudest like the rocket go behind it go above to the sky จั่ว yeah again จั่ว yeah and this one normal tone จังสือเตียนใช่จั่ว yeah what that mean จั่ว yeah is homework จัง is dirty สือเตียน is dictionary and ใช่ is like a let your play rock paper scissors right ใช่rock paper scissors จุ๊บ okay about this slide let you recheck about your tone pinyin นะฮะกันนะคนthis one is still recheck pinyin also ซื่อจี normal tone right ซื่อจี is driver and this one how to read this one pronoun is number 4 ส่วน who correct again ส่วน is การ
丝
this one like the game 你想吃什么你想喝什么你想吃什么 is what you want to eat นี้เสียงเฮอฉันว่า what you want to drink นะฮะ we gonna come to play when alright Chinese class นะฮะ about all game this and this one look the picture 1 2 and 3 let you recheck about pinyin tone also number 1 Han Bao Bao Han Bao Bao do you think above or down is correctly I let you thinking about 1 minute Han Bao Bao Han Bao Bao Han Bao Bao the answer is this one who correctly show me your hand and this one 绳之绳之 above or down 绳之 the answer is above if you notice จืจื like a normal tone this one also 汉堡包 right if we read this one 汉堡包 is so strange this one 绳จื is incorrect and this one 比萨饼比萨饼 above or down the answer is here if you read this one like you gonna say 比萨饼 not 饼 who correct all who correct 2 who correct 1 who correct 0 let's try that Chinese is not difficult if you attention
坐一坐
Review questions. Number 2. Listen carefully and connect the correct items. 1.
我想喝牛奶。
2.
我想吃面包。
3.
我想吃热狗。
4.
我想喝橙汁。
You remember number 1我想喝牛奶我想喝牛奶我想喝牛奶 The boy say 我想喝牛奶 What he want to do I want to drink what he drinking he drinking about milk 我想喝牛奶 I want to drink milk and next he say 我想吃面包面包 what does mean did or did 面包 is here นะฮะ if you notice 面包包 and 包 same 汉堡包汉堡包 is burger right burger in the burger have bread yes so that's why that's why have 包like a trick for remember this one the girl say 我想吃热狗我想吃热狗 what I mean what she want to eat she want to eat hot dog and finally what she want to drink 我想喝橙汁我想喝橙汁 she want to drink orange juice right next yeah we gonna go next slide
Number 3. Listen carefully and circle the correct words. 1.
词典
2.
脏
3.
司机
1, 2, and 3. Number 1, ซื้อเตียน above or down ลูก easy ซื้อเตียน is down จาง 1 or 2 above or down tick tock tick tock tick tock จาง is this one and this one ซื้อจีซื้อจี this or this tick 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 this one who correct all who correct 2 who correct 1 who correct 0 okay we gonna go next okay everyone about this slide we'll let you try to reading because we learned about pronunciation tone and pinyin before right so let's try to read or practice about pinyin นะฮะthe first one 面包好吃面包好吃面包好吃面包好吃 what does it mean 面包 is bread 好吃 how is good 吃 is eat 面包 eating good right yummy 面包 yummy bread is yummy bread is yummy 冰淇淋冰淇淋 is ice cream 甜 is sweet 冰淇淋甜冰淇淋甜 this one 牛奶好喝牛奶好喝牛奶 is milk 好喝 is yummy if you notice teacher this one 好吃 is yummy 好喝 is yummy how to different because 吃 is eat right 喝 is drink some beverage if you drinking and you feel this beverage is super yummy right we don't say 好吃 because 吃 used for food 喝 used for drink and beverage only that's why we call 好喝 replace 好吃นะฮะ the meaning same yummy and yummy นะฮะนิ้วนาย is milk milk is yummy milk is yummy ปิ่งการเสียนปิ่งการเสียนเสียน is salty ปิ่งการ is snack or cookie right sometimes they meaning like a snack sometimes Chinese people they say ปิ่งการ like a cookie cookie is salty cookie is salty 我都喜欢吃我都喜欢吃豆豆 is all we all like to eat right I like sorry not we 我 is I sorry 我 is I 都 is all 喜欢吃 I all like eat meaning is I like to eat all if you translate word by word the meaning like the grammar like the different with your language when we translate from this language to another language could you write the correctly grammar we don't write I or like eat if somebody don't know about Chinese they back to read about your project or about your writing what you write I don't understand when you translate right could you arrange new sentence correctly grammar like I or like to eat so if we swap position you can receive like I like them all I like them all or I like to eat all yes for your final exam on term 3 the first of all let you back to review about food and the second let you back to review about beverage I think about food teacher will send worksheet give your parent we have around 5 or 6 words that's so important you need to can remember all of that I think if you attention to learn in the class right you actually can remember all of this and beverage also and about teacher is just explain about Siang and Yao. Yao is 100%, Siang is 50% when you receive the exam sheet could you consider what sentence suitable use เสียง what sentence suitable use ยาวand if you review reading and listen my video I think you can do your final exam not anything concerned so today I hope that you gonna lucky and have more score and you gonna love Chinese all the time นะฮะ same currently now okay before we gonna go now how to say bye bye and thank you in Chinese เสีย จายเจียนจายเจียน everyone